Welcome to my YouTube channel Proverbs on Fridays. Every Friday in this channel I am going to take a Sanskrit proverb and explain it to you. The first proverb now I am going to tell is Kakacheshta Pakodhyanam Swananidra Tataivacha Alpahari Grihatyagi Vidyarthi Panchalakshanam. Kakacheshta Bakodhyanam Swananidra Tataivacha Alpahari Grihatyagi Vidyarthi Pancha Lakshanam. This is the first proverb that now we are going to see. Kakacheshta. Now the proverb is Vidyarthi means student. A person who learns a Vidya is called Vidyarthi. Pancha means 5. Lakshana means qualities. Qualities are features. Qualities are features. This proverb tells about what are all the 5 qualities or features that a student should have. First one is cheshta. Cheshta means effort. Dhyanam means concentration. Nidra means sleep. Ahari means alpahari, aharam. Aharam means food. Ahari means those who eat. So aharam means food. Aharam means food. Tyagi means those who sacrifice. Tyagam is sacrifice. Tyagi is those who sacrifice. So these are the 5 qualities: effort, concentration, sleep, food and sacrifice. These are all the features that a student should have. But how those features or qualities should be? Effort. How should be the effort of a student? The effort of a student should be like a crow. The concentration of a student should be like a crane. The sleep of a student should be like a dog. The food of a student should be little. The student should sacrifice his home. I will explain. So the effort should be like a crow. The effort of a student should be like a crow. The concentration should be like a crane. The sleep should be like a dog. The food should be little. He should sacrifice the home. I will explain this proverb. Why the effort should be like a crow. In our childhood, we might have heard about the story of a crow and water pot. The story is, once there lived a crow. It was very thirsty. It went for water here and there. At last it found a pot of water, but there was a very little water in it. So the crow decided a thing. It collected small pebbles and put the pebbles one by one into the water pot. The water level came up. When the water level came to the rim, the crow drank the water and it flew away. So the crow doesn't give up the effort until the water comes up. It tried again and again until it drank the water. Like that, the student should try again and again until he learns the concept. Even if he doesn't understand it, he should try again and again, like the crow tried again and again for water. So the effort should be like a crow. Then concentration should be like a crane. Why the concentration should be like the crane? If a crane wants to, crane means kokku in Tamil. If the crane wants to eat a fish, it will go to a paddy field or a river and stand on its one leg. Because if it stands on two legs, the fish will recognize that there is a bird standing in the water. So it will divert and it will go away. So what the crane will do is it will stand on one leg. The fish will think that there is a stick standing in the water. It will not think it is a leg. It is a stick. It will think like a stick is there in the water. So the fish will come near the leg. The crane will be keenly watching the fish which is coming near its leg. When it comes near its leg, it will pick the fish and it will fly away. So the crane, until the crane catches the fish, it will not consider the pain of standing on one leg. Even if it has a pain of standing on one leg, it will not consider it and it will bear the pain until it catches the fish. Like that, while we are learning, even if we get the pain, we should not consider the pain while learning. We should leave the pain. We should not consider the pain, or we should not give importance to the pain until we learn the concept or learn the thing. This is how the crane catches the fish. So the concentration of a student should be like a crane. The third one, the sleep should be like a dog. Why the sleep should be like a dog? Because the dogs, especially the street dogs, will not sleep for more than 3 or 4 hours. It will not sleep for a long time. It will sleep, suddenly it will wake up and it will run. Because the dog will usually sleep deeply. We will be sleeping for 6 or 8 hours. We will have a lot of dreams in our sleep. So it is a normal sleep. But a dog will have a deep sleep. If science says that if we sleep deeply for 3 or 4 hours, it is equal to a normal sleep of 8 hours. So if we sleep for 3 or 4 hours deeply, that is, if we have a deep sleep for 3 or 4 hours, it is equal to a normal sleep of 8 hours. So a student should have a deep sleep like a dog, so that he can get more time to learn. So he should sleep like a dog. Then alpahari, little food. Why should the food should be little? Because when we eat, the oxygen that we inhale will be spent for digestion. That's why if we have a large meals during noon, we will get sleep. We will be sleepy. This is because the oxygen that we inhale will go to the stomach, digestion, and more oxygen will be spent on digestion, it will not go to the brain. So if we eat little amount of food, little oxygen will be used to digest and more oxygen will be supplied to brain. So the brain will be active. If the brain is active, we can learn anything. So if the food should be little, so that the brain gets more oxygen. Sacrifice the home. Why should a good student sacrifice the home? This term can be easily understood by sports people, because in sports, during coaching time or during the competition or something, the coach will tell them to switch off the phone. For example, there is a badminton player in our country called Sindhu George. She has won a lot of gold medal for our country. What her coach will do is, the coach will tell her to switch off the phone and give it to him until the coaching is over. For example, if she is going to prepare for Olympics, the coach will tell her to switch off the phone and give it to her, and after the Olympics is over, then only he will hand over the phone to her. This is because if she is in connection with the outer world, she cannot concentrate on coaching or competition. That's why she herself has told, Sindhuja herself has told that her coach is the main reason for her success. He has made her to cut away all the connection of outer world connection during the coaching time, and that's why she is succeeded in lot of competition. This is why we tell that Grihat Tyagi, we should sacrifice the home during learning process, during competition, that and all. So these are all the 5 main features or qualities that a student should have. The effort of a student should be like a crow, concentration should be like a crane, sleep should be like a dog, food should be little, sacrifice the home. If he has all the 5 qualities, he will be a very good student. Again, the proverb is Kaka Cheshta Bako Dhyanam Swana Nidra Tataivacha Alpahari Grihatyagi Vidyarthi Panchalakshanam. That's all. Thank you.